Generative AI is included in all sorts of tools, and it's important to remember how and when you can use it, because we all have gotten used to a certain amount of it. So obviously it's artificial intelligence capable of creating content like text, images, music, data, computer code even, in response to instructions. It is everywhere, but it is important to remember that you can't use it in every assessment, and this will go from every university you study with. So you might be able to use Grammarly or other tools to correct spelling, but in no assignment in a university will they not talk about AI and then let you use ChatGPT or whatever. So it is important when you are studying at any university you study at to confirm if you're allowed to use AI for the assessments. We have some assessments where we're like, yeah, you can use AI, but then we want you to use your own brain to adjust what you've created with that AI. And then check you can use AI to help with your learning. It can sum up an article and you can check what it said, if it's worth reading for your assessment, or to create study plans or create practice exams even. That's, a nice way to use it. If you are using AI, it's really important to remember to reference properly. Reference any tools the tools that you've used, anything you've created in your assessment. If you've written in your assessment that's not referenced, it's assumed that you created it. So it is important, if you use AI, you do have to reference it. When you are creating assessments, when you are a student with us, you have to remember not to present AI as your own work. You can be penalized for improper or unauthorized AI use, that's fine. Don't overuse AI. One of the key things when you're studying is that you want to know what you're talking about. And if you overuse AI, the danger then is it can be wrong. And we can tell if you've used it for everything, because it will put errors in there that you don't catch, because if you overuse AI, you won't understand the concepts as well as somebody who just studied it. And don't use AI if it specifically says not to use it. That's pretty basic to understand. And remember that anything you share with AI, you can't control what happens to that information you upload. So you've got to be careful with yourself and your privacy and that of others, and be aware that most generative AI software will use your data to improve their technology. So that often involves sharing your data with others. So that's just a little bit on that. We do talk about it more when students actually join our classes, because it's really important and it's, obviously everywhere. So we're not going to just pretend that it doesn't exist, but we are going to ask you to use it responsibly and ethically.